Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy 2023. Summer is right around the corner. And I just wanted to do a little update video on what I have planted this year. Kind of a little bit of a journal for me and for anybody who is following along. Pool's already up, which is awesome. But anyways, this year I'm really focusing on a perennial style garden, trying to make everything kind of like almost like that 10-year garden, right? Like you plant it once and don't have to keep replanting. So that's what my goals being this year. But so far here in the herb little bin, we've just got chives over here, which I'm gonna again perennialize, turn this whole thing into a big chive garden. We have some of our dahlias here. More dahlias over here. Got gladiolus here, delphiniums here, snapdragons, zinnias, straw flowers, and a couple other things in there. Lavender. Over here I've put all my blueberries, slowly trying to get them to go. I got 3 or 4 different varieties there. 4 different varieties of raspberries. Built this trellis around it just to kind of contain them. I know in a year, probably next year, it'll be all over the place. I just put some corn here this year just because I had some of them. I thought it'd be fine here this year with these all nice and small. Put a couple of potatoes in here of my overflow. There's some saving for the cannabis plant, like every year. Here's the new garden bed that we made. This is the asparagus and strawberry garden bed. So right now all the strawberries are all starting to pop up here on the top. We won't see asparagus probably for another year. And a couple different things here. Just a tree that I dug out, hydrangea. That is some eucalyptus, mint to keep the pests away. Some extra hostas. Here is all broccoli and a couple little lettuce heads coming up. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts. And then inside the greenhouse with the irrigation setup, I'm watering right now actually. I finished this side of the irrigation as well, so we've got a full loop now. So I just plug it in here and it does the whole garden now, which is really, really nice. But in here we are packed. We've got our peas, which are actually starting to grow now. So some snow peas, some more mint to keep the critters out, some lettuce, some cherry tomatoes here. We've got some cucumber in here. We've got potatoes over there up until about here. This is going to be our bush beans right there. And then we've got a couple pepper plants. And then another beef tomato, which I'm going to try and just focus up straight. Some basil here, just because it likes the warmer weather for now. And then just an odd broccoli back there, because I had a couple extras. But it's looking really, really nice. The irrigation system is working super, super well. Extremely handy. I'll get the rainwater barrel set up so then it's going to be nice and it'll be free in here. I don't have to worry about actually hooking it up. The exhaust is working good. I did upgrade the fan in here. We've got our 2 apple trees over there, which are growing really, really nice. I did plant some strawberry rhubarb out here because I am starting to work over here now. Cut down a couple of these trees and branches and trying to get the sun over here, and I'm gonna start building, I think, my compost over here, maybe a couple more garden beds on this side to start slowly expanding this way. But overall, guys, the yard, the garden, everything is coming together. We're super, super happy. Can't wait for everything to start growing out. As you can see, I focused on broccoli this year because we eat a lot of it. But no, it's looking really, really good. I'm happy, I'm happy. I can't wait till Logan gets bigger so she can come out here and garden with me, pick some of these things that I've been planting. It's gonna be awesome. But guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, supporting all you guys do. Peace, love, and cheers!